sector. Do you guys remember what a sector was?
It's where
does it go inside the circle like a?
it's like not like a cord because
Yeah.
it keeps going.
When you cut off a piece of the, when you make two radii and it makes like a piece of pie, this is a sector. So that creates an angle there. This is one of the radii. Let's say it's like 10 meters or something. Okay, so last chapter we talked about sector area. So all of this in here has an area, right? How would we find that area?
Pi r squared times theta over 360.
Okay, yeah. So you would do the entire circle area. What's the formula for a circle area?
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared. But then you would multiply that times what fraction of the circle are we actually using?
Theta, so
Sector.
80.
We're using 80 out of 360. So the formula is theta is just a variable. It's a Greek letter, but it usually is used to stand for the central angle. The angle right there. Okay, anyway, so yeah, this is the sector area formula. That was really from last chapter, but they kind of go together.
So we're doing that again this chapter?
Well, no, I threw it in there because these two are the same. Okay, you guys know what an arc is?
Yes.
An arc is a piece of the circle. So the circle is just this stuff, but it's the part of the crust, you could say, the pie. So an arc has a length from there to there. How would we find the arc length? Yep.
Pi divided by.
No. Okay. An arc length is a piece of. It's a fraction of what?
Wait.
360.
So you find all the other.
What's this?
All right. So pi r squared. Pi r squared.
No. Okay. Arc from here to here is a fraction of all the way around. What's all the way around?
360.
Circumference.
Back.
So C.
So how do we find circumference?
2 pi r.
What is it?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. 2r pi. So you do circumference 2r pi, or 2 pi r, times what fraction of the circle are we actually using? Yeah, 80 out of 360, or theta out of 360.
Oh, come on.
So it's almost the same formula, it's just one is more like...
You do circumference and one you do area.
Yeah. Okay?
Okay.
Easy peasy. So on the directions, on number 1 it says find the length of the arc. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. What's the tenth mean?
The place right after the decimal.
First decimal place. So what is the radius on number 9? 9. So we're going to do 2 times 9 times pi. Now since it says we're rounding to the tenth place, that means we're not going to leave pi in the answer. We're either going to use pi button on the calculator or 3.14.
Where is the pi button? Because I just cut out 3.4.
Usually have to hit shift something, or it might not have one possible.
Can my calculator not do this?
You're old.
No, it can do it. Okay, the central angle on number 1 is 165, so it's 165 out of 360. Alright, let's all plug this in, make sure we get the same answer, so that we're all on the same page.
I got 45.905.
Okay, we're rounding to the 10th place, so
I did something wrong. Wait, is it 9 times, 2 times 9?
yes.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to figure out if I know what I'm doing. Oh, great. No, I didn't.
25.9.
Alright, the lady put it right
Oh,
there.
you're already right now.
Okay, how would we label this?
Yards.
Yards. Okay, we're talking about a length, not an area, from A to B. Oh, I kind of forgot to mention this. You guys remember how we label arcs?
Yep.
Or have we done that before?
Yeah.
Like with the little...
Yep.
I thought we had. There's disagreement in the other class, but I'm pretty sure we talked about it once. Okay, anyways, yeah, it's 25.9. So, on number 3, what do we need to do?
214 pi parentheses 300 over 360.
Jaden, did you get the last one to work?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is really, really hard.
Bro,
Is it too much for you?
Yeah.
you're too stupid on it.
I'm really struggling. Corey, we have a Spanish quiz next hour. I forgot about
I
that.
got
I
like
need to look over.
72.
It's not hard, it's just like, I hope I don't get it wrong.
Yeah.
It goes
3,
Tango,
30,
Tango,
70,
Tango,
30.
I got 23.
Tango means to have, right?
yeah,
I
and
have.
so, you know the chart? You know what I'm saying? Like,
High.
so Tango goes with yo.
Tanguez or
So
something?
Tango, tienes,
Tienes, oh, okay. Forgot.
tiene, I think.
So I was almost.
Tienamos,
Tienamos.
tienes, and
Tienes.
tienes again. I think.
That makes a lot of sense.
Tienes. Tienes?
I'm pretty sure.
Is that how you pronounce it?
Timmy.
Okay, what number 3 come out as?
73.3.
Okay, and that one I think was feet. Do you guys, maybe we should talk about this. Do you guys remember how to round this to the 10th place? Or sorry, do you guys remember how to round this to the 10th place?
Bump it up to 27.
Yeah, the 9 pushes up to a 10, so the 6 would push up to a 7. So you could say it's like 27.0. Okay. Alright, let's jump to the back. Number 1.
What?
You're not gonna do the rest with us?
Nah, it's too easy.
No, I'm like really sure.
Are you kidding? Yeah, it's easy, but it takes a long.
No, it doesn't.
Yes.
False statement.
You were gonna save us so much
What-
time.
what is
I'm
that?
really struggling.
You just want me to do the work.
Italy's such a devil.
I don't
Poor
know.
thing.
I'm struggling really bad.
Once I do a bunch of this stuff, like
I
repeated
see.
stuff over and
Even
over again,
those are all
I get
wrong.
like mixed up.
I can't figure
Facts.
it out.
Please.
Stop whining my word.
Police.
Okay, on number 11. So on the back it says find the area of each sector. So we're going to sector area. So what are we gonna do on number 11?
Okay, so you are going to 2 pi r squared.
Okay, so the radius is squared times pi times,
Theta over 360.
right, 150 over 360. So instead of times 2, it's radius squared. Instead of 2 times radius, it's radius squared.
Is the whole back gonna be the radius squared?
Yes.
Okay. We should do the front together.
No, it's not. It's not hard.
I'm really struggling.
Shut up.
You just put in the formula.
She's joking.
She's a woman.
I'm 90% sure.
You can never know. Never know.
If she was a man, you'd be 100% sure. But
I guess we'll never know.
Okay, so I got
a blonde.
Why did you
man.
call this? Did you get a different calculator? That was a bin.
All right, did somebody plug that one in or no?
Yeah, 188.
Don't trust Corey.
Point three.
No, because you round up.
No, but there was 0. I got zeros after that.
It wasn't zeros.
You got 3, 0?
Wait, do you have like a?
It wasn't 3-0.
Yo, pi
Yes.
Yeah. I should do it 3.14.
Okay, and how would we label number 11?
Centimeters.
Oh, I
Centimeters squared because it's an area.
I found my pi button.
Shut up.